I'm Joe Mosca, Dean of the Bitonte College of Health and Human Services at Youngstown State University. The College of Health and Human Services is the largest college on Youngstown State's campus, and we've held that distinction since 2004. I believe in my heart that our students are difference makers. They make a difference by intervening in the lives of persons affected by acute or chronic medical illness, by empowering individuals, families, and groups living in poverty and social isolation, by attempting to rectify and ultimately prevent criminal victimization, and by addressing public health concerns and social epidemics. At other times, our students make a difference by delivering services involving quality child care, nutritional counseling, or training and education that enhances physical health and well-being. Regardless of the circumstances, our college provides the educational foundation, and our students implement that knowledge in their respective professional roles.
In the Department of Criminal Justice and Forensic Sciences, we offer a lot of different programs, and within the criminal justice degree, we offer a lot of different tracks: law enforcement, legal processes, corrections, private security. We also have an in-house police academy so that you can be certified to be a police officer while you're getting your degree. We have a crime scene condo where students can go and learn how things like blood spatter work. We have a firearms training simulator. We have state-of-the-art classrooms. There's no better place to study criminal justice. We have 2 federal courthouses, more than a dozen state courthouses. We're the seat of the Ohio 7th District Court of Appeals. There are 5 major detention centers within the valley, including the state's only supermax prison. It's a great place to learn about criminal justice and get a job.
We offer a diverse number of master's, baccalaureate, associate degree programs, also some certificate programs in healthcare and public health. We offer 5 baccalaureate degree programs, 1 in allied health, which is actually a +2 completion program, a bachelor's in dental hygiene. We offer to a student coming into dental hygiene everything possible they could get in the way of certificates and so forth. We also offer a bachelor's in medical laboratory science. Our public health program has 2 tracks. One track is in community health education, and we have a second track that's in environmental health and safety. We also offer a Bachelor's of Science in Respiratory Care, another unique program, one of only a few programs in the state of Ohio that offer a bachelor's degree to respiratory therapist. We offer an associate in emergency medical services, an associate in medical assisting, and an associate in medical laboratory technician. I think YSU has a niche in healthcare programs.
The Department of Human Ecology includes Family and Consumer Studies, Dietetics, Hospitality Management, Fashion Merchandising, and Early Childhood Development. We have internships all over the community that we get to go and travel to. It's something that definitely gives you an upper hand because as you're going to school and learning the material, you're also doing the hands-on portion of it too.
YSU has allowed me to expand my horizons and utilize a lot of the skills that I've developed through just the workforce over my lifetime. Working with the department, they've also allowed me to delve into interest in research. They're always looking for students to participate in research. You definitely have to demonstrate a drive for research and just plead your case. I think you definitely would find what you're looking for.
The beautiful thing about our majors is exercise and it's science. Starting their freshman year, they get very active in trying out every different type of cardiovascular component. They get exposed to a wide range of fitness topics and fitness themes. We have a laboratory that is on our 3rd floor that is more the science portion of it. We can conduct any test in exercise physiology, which there is a wide variety of it. We also have fun rooms. We just built a boxing room, and it also has resistance bands for stretching. A lot of kids think that to be in exercise science you have to be an athlete, and you don't. We have students from all walks, and there's such a variety of what you can do with a degree upon completion that everybody seems to find a home.
I love the nursing career. There's so many avenues and opportunities in nursing. This is our simulation lab. That's the sim guy. His heart will beat. You can get a pulse off of him. You could draw blood from him. And then we have a lab downstairs, and it is like a hospital. You know, there's all kind of beds, and you just learn all your skills down there. I work in the lab, so I get the opportunity to help them, but it also helps me out too because I'm reviewing my skills so I can stay fresh on those skills. And while I'm in the lab, I can also do other things with the new skills that I'm learning.
I think my first real aha moment was when we got to our first clinical, and you are doing things that you're taught in lab and the things that they've been preparing you to do, and to actually see that firsthand was where I was like, this is what I want to do.
We have amazing space here at Youngstown State. They designed this space for physical therapy. So in our lab facilities, we've been able to integrate a teaching and a practice portion, so students will get some lecture potentially and then go back and practice things that they need to do. We also have brand new and state-of-the-art equipment over at Penguin Physical Therapy, which is our pro bono practice now that we've started in the community. It's a win-win for people in the community that can't afford to go to physical therapy because they either have really high copays or they don't have physical therapy services in their insurance plan at all. It's a win for us because we get to work with the students in small groups and we get to see how they're performing and how they're interacting in a much different environment than the classroom grading environment. I think YSU students stand out because we hear from people they're good clinical decision makers, they're professional in how they approach their profession, and they're just good all around people. I think that's just who we attract here.
We're very hands-on. The field of social work is very applied science. We have a lot of activities, a lot of role-playing, a lot of practicing of the engagement phase with clients, the intervention phase, and then they have several opportunities to do that actually out in the field. We're such an affordable school, but the institution is really dedicated to excellence. So you're getting a Harvard-level education at a price you can afford. The skills that you learn in providing to your clients, you can apply in your own life, trying to reduce your stress, have awareness of depression or other stress-related problems, and being aware of all the resources that are available to not only clients but to our own families.
Some fascinating and interesting facts, according to the latest projections from the Bureau of Labor Statistics for the next decade, indicate that the employment outlook for graduates of the Bitonte College of Health and Human Services continues to be robust. You can be confident that you are choosing a major and a career that will be rewarding both personally and professionally. We are the Bitonte College of Health and Human Services. Come grow with us.